Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes to manufacture the perfect modular furniture for your ideal home? Here's a hint. It involves several steps and a long line of sophisticated machinery. Aertsen transforms your dream of a beautiful home into a reality with the help of expert craftsmen and seasoned designers. Due to their craftsmanship, transparency and prompt delivery, Aertsen is the most sought-after home interior brand in Hyderabad. Your modular furniture starts its journey right here at the Aertsen's modular manufacturing facility and goes through several steps to craft the home interior of your dreams. It is located in Devaryamjal, on the outskirts of Hyderabad, on a 2-acre compound. The facility is divided into 3 major departments: main workforce, the manufacturing unit, and the warehouse. The facility is capable of delivering 60 fully furnished homes, which is possible because of the 120 employees working tirelessly to manufacture your modular furniture. Let's begin with the workspace. This is where the ideas take shape with the help of a special piece of software called B-Suite. It's a part of the B-Cabinet range of software, a single integrated software solution to manage the entire production process. This state-of-the-art technology doesn't just make the designing part extremely quick, it's also extremely easy to use, which results in a faster production time. And thanks to the integration of a new learning system, the software enables us to deliver sophisticated designs with just a few clicks of the button. The next step in this journey takes it to the manufacturing side of things. After finalizing the designs, however, even before production begins, the most viral aspect of the modular furniture is selected. The correct raw material can dictate the overall user experience. It includes water resistance, durability, and of course, aesthetics. That's why Aertsen handpicks every piece with the utmost attention. They make the modular furniture durable and safe for everyday use. Also, to add a cherry on top, the entire production process produces zero harmful emissions of formaldehyde. When it comes to the wood itself, it has both NABL and BIS certifications, so you can be sure you are getting the best out of there. So, all that is left is to start the manufacturing process. The first step in the process involves the Blaze 12S0. It has revolutionized how the variety of finishes are pressed onto MDF, plywood or chipboard. It has done that by enabling us to accept the largest possible order while maintaining the highest quality standards, also increasing productivity and expediting the delivery process. Moreover, the process eliminates any chance of bubbles forming under the variety of finishes and fights against moisture and seepage. After the chosen finish has been pressed onto the carcass, it is taken through the Selco SK3. It cuts the ply into precise sizes, matching them even to the nanometers of length. Next, it's sent in for edge banding to smooth out the edges. This prevents any water from getting inside the wood and damaging it. The perfect edge is cut with the help of the Jade 300, a single-sided edge binding machine, but it can only work at a 90-degree angle. So, a manual edge binding machine is used to bind all the angled and curved edges of the modular furniture. Let's see, finishing done, edge banding done. So the next stop on this journey involves drilling holes to attach all the parts of the modular furniture together. These holes are drilled into the carcass so that it can be seamlessly assembled. This process has multiple benefits apart from the obvious of putting the carcass together. The most prominent is the precise drilling technique to match the exact measurements. As an added benefit, it also drastically reduces the fitting time. Considering all the previous steps are completed, it's time to assemble all the parts together to check if the final product is of the highest quality. Once the quality is confirmed, it's disassembled and sent to the site. So, this is where the manufacturing journey ends for your modular furniture and marks a new beginning for a new upgraded home. But why limit yourself to just modular furniture? Aertsen also offers handcrafted furniture with or without 3D CNC cutting of the most beautiful and eye-catching patterns. Handcrafted furniture, as opposed to modular furniture, is specially created to satisfy the individual needs of our clients. These range from sofas to bed sets to office furniture, and that's not all. These handcrafted furniture can be designed in various styles, such as contemporary, modern, and traditional. You get to choose your pick. Aertsen has delivered hundreds of happy home interiors to date, but the one we long for is yours. So head over to our website and craft your desired home interior with the experts here at Aertsen.